Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub, and in this video I'm going to teach you present continuous and present simple and the difference between present continuous and present simple, and mainly where to use present simple and where to use present continuous. Let me tell you, this is the podcast about IELTS grammar, and if you are lacking in grammar, especially if you are getting low band score in IELTS speaking, IELTS writing, this podcast is exactly for you, because in this podcast I'm going to teach you, rather I'm going to equip you with the grammar which you can use comfortably in IELTS writing as well as IELTS speaking. So guys, this is the fourth video of this series. If you haven't seen the first three, or if you haven't listened to the first three podcasts, you must listen to them and then you can come to this fourth podcast. Let's take a start. We use continuous forms like I am waiting, it's raining, etc. for actions and happenings that have started but not finished. Some verbs, for example, know and like, are not normally used in this way. We don't say I am knowing, they are liking. We say I know, they like. So if you say I'm knowing, or if you say they like, they are liking, grammatically these two sentences are wrong. The following verbs are not normally used in the present continuous tense, and you must know that in IELTS speaking as well as IELTS writing, do not use these verbs in continuous tense. So the verbs are like, want, need, prefer, or as some people say, prefer, know, realize, understand, recognize, believe, suppose, remember, mean, belong, fit, contain, consist, seem. Okay, so these verbs should not be used in continuous form. Let's go on now. I'm hungry. I want something to eat, not I'm wanting something to eat. Sometimes in colloquial version, colloquial is like speaking version, they say I'm wanting to tell you something, but grammatically that is wrong. And in IELTS, I will not suggest these verbs to be used in present continuous. Do you understand what I mean? And you cannot say, are you understanding, or what I am meaning? Do you understand what I mean? Anna doesn't seem very happy right now. You cannot say Anna isn't seeming very happy right now. Clear? All right, let's go on. Next, think. When think means believe or have an opinion, we do not use the continuous. In IELTS essays, when you give your opinion, there you say, I think. So when you say I think, it means believe or you have an opinion. I think Mary is Canadian, but I'm not sure. One day you guys are going to say, I'm Canadian, I'm Australian. Okay, yeah, why not? I'm British, huh? I think Mary is Canadian, but I'm not sure. Not I'm thinking. Okay, you cannot say I'm thinking Mary is Canadian. All right, I think means actually you believe or you have an opinion. What do you think of my idea? Means what is your opinion? Next, when think means consider, the continuous is possible. I'm thinking about what happened means you are considering or you are in the process of thinking. You know, sometimes you say, I'm thinking, I'm brainstorming. So there you can use ing form, and this is the meaning. I'm thinking about what happened. I often think about it. Nikki is thinking of giving up her job means she's considering it. Okay, like that. Let's go on. The verbs like see, hear, or hear, smell, taste, look, and feel. We normally use the present simple, not continuous, with see, hear, smell, or taste. Do you see that man over there? You cannot say, are you seeing that man over there? This is wrong. Do you see that man over there? The room smells Let's open a window. You cannot say the room is smelling. Let's open a window. Okay? The room smells. Let's open a window. This soup doesn't taste very good. Now you cannot say this soup isn't tasting very good. That's wrong. This soup doesn't taste very good. You can use the present simple and continuous to say how somebody looks or feels now. You look well today, or you're looking well today. So you can use present simple or continuous for looks or feels. How do you feel now? Or how are you feeling now? For example, somebody's got some headache and then you say, how do you feel now? Or how are you feeling now after some treatment or medication? I usually feel tired in the morning. Now, when you use the time like in the morning, I usually feel tired on Sundays. I usually feel tired at night. So not I am usually feeling tired. With usually, you are not going to use ing. Okay, am, is, are, and then being. You can say he's being, you're being, etc. to say how somebody is behaving now. I can't understand why he's being so selfish. I can't understand why he's being so selfish. He isn't usually like that. So being selfish means behaving selfishly now. Clear? Alright, let's go on. The path is icy. Don't slip. Don't worry. I am being very careful. Okay? Alright, let's compare it. He never thinks about other people. He's very selfish. He is selfish generally, not only now. But when you say he is being selfish, it means then he is actually behaving in a selfish way. Alright? I don't like to take risks. I'm a very careful person. We use am, is, are, being to say how a person is behaving, doing something that they can control now. It is not usually possible in other situations. For example, Sam is ill, not Sam is being ill. That's wrong. Are you tired? Not are you being tired. Okay, so this is further about present continuous and present simple. And guys, you must practice all these sentences and try to make your own sentences. Try to use these sentences. For example, if I made a sentence, so you can make 5 more sentences changing that. For example, I think Mary is Canadian. I think Asad is Pakistani. I think Paul is from Manchester. I think Jagjit Singh is from Amritsar. I think Kumar is from New Delhi. I think Rahul is from Mumbai. I think Kamal is from Afghanistan. I think Nasir is from Lahore. Like that, okay? So you can try and, you know, this effort of today is going to give you the fruit tomorrow. Today you are sowing the seeds and tomorrow you're going to enjoy very sweet fruit. That's all, guys. I wish you all the best in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, or wherever you guys want to. That's all. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.